Hello, it is the how-to guru. I am here for another video for you all. So check this out. How many of you guys out there have iPhone 16s? All right. Quite a few of you, I see. So, I'm such a private person when it comes to these phones. And, with the old iPhones, if anybody picked up your phone, they could go through like all your apps, like as far as Instagram and your pictures and Facebook or whatever you may have on your phone, right? But now there is a new feature on the iPhone 16 where you can lock all that. So even if you don't have your face recognition on when you turn the phone off, such as this, right? So when your phone is like this, right, normally people can go in your stuff, they can hit your Facebook and go in your pictures and tap whatever they want to tap, and they can see pretty much anything, right? But now you can stop all that with this new feature. All you have to do is hold down any app that you want limited access to or no access at all. You just go to the app. Let's just say Cash App, right? Because there'll be a lot of Cash App scams going on. You let somebody use your phone and they'll be like, can they use your phone? And they end up going through your Cash App, sending themselves your money. And then you don't know what happened. A day or two later, you look at your bank account and all your money's gone. So now, all you have to do is press and hold the icon. So we're going to press and hold the Cash App icon. All right. So once you press and hold it, you can see the box pops up. It has edit home screen, share app, don't require Face ID. Right? The reason it says that is because I already have mine locked. So I'm going to unlock this feature. And then I'm going to lock it back to show you what I'm talking about. All right. So now, anybody that has access to my phone, they can go right into my Cash App. See? They can get right in. They can just hit the app, right? So now, check this out. So now, we're going to unlock it, right? So like I said, just hold the icon down, right? All right, you see the box pop back up again. So you can go down and you can go to require Face ID. Press that. Require Face ID. Click on the first one, not the second one. You don't want to hide and require Face ID. You want to require Face ID. Hit that one, right? Oh, wait a minute. It needs my face. All right. So now, I'm just going to turn my phone sideways and I'm going to press this. I'm going to press this Cash App icon again and watch what it does. Ta-da! Now, they have to have your face to open the app. You can do this with any app, y'all. Let me go back. Well, I got to unlock it with my face. All right, so I just unlocked it again, right? All right, so I'm going to go back. So now you can do any app like that. If you can do Instagram like that, watch. I got my Instagram locked. See? Can't get in it. Can't get in there. My Facebook Messenger. Can't get in there. Guys, I think this is one of the dopest features on the iPhone 16. You can lock pretty much every app on your phone that you don't want anyone to have access to. I think that's pretty cool. So you guys go ahead and play with that. Go ahead and lock your phone down, man. So if somebody do steal your phone, they will not be able to get in any of your apps or anything. But anyway, this is the how-to guru back with another video for y'all, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, leave your comments. Send your friends to the page too. Tell them to check it out. I feel like this is a cool feature, and I feel like everybody needs this feature on their phone. Like, you need to be locking down your apps so strangers can't be looking all in your phone. Again, this is the How To Guru, and I'm out.